breaking news. Inflation rose to 9.1% in the month of June, higher than expected. We're going to be talking how this will affect the crypto market, what to expect in the next few days, and we're going to go in depth on Bitcoin and see how it reacted and what the results are and, the effects of this. With that said, this is DC Trading. Make sure to watch the whole video because you don't want to miss out on this information, because there is a specific date I will be releasing that will shake up the crypto market, because we are not out of the loop. With that said, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you want to keep updated with crypto and Bitcoin, BTC. Okay, let's get right into it. As you guys know, inflation hasn't been this high in over 40 years, as you guys can look at the chart. It rose to 9.1% in the month of June, higher than expected. It was expected to go to 8.8%, but with the increase or the rise in gas prices, food and rent in the month of June, well, guys, this caused inflation to rise even higher. As you guys can see, if you want to get in depth on the CPI data, make sure to click the link down below. Read this article. It's very, very good. It gives you charts and reasons why it rose, which I did explain the main reasons, as you guys can see. But guys, we are not out of the loop. As you guys know, Bitcoin, took a fall, as you guys can see on the chart. We're going to get in the charts very, very soon, so make sure to stay tuned. But it did manage to go to 18,900. As a result, if we look at liquidations, in the past 24 hours, guys, 80,000 traders, over 80,540 traders were liquidated for a total of $260 million for all crypto. If we just look at Bitcoin, in the past 24 hours, 80 million has been liquidated. In the past 4 hours, 20 million have been liquidated. So guys, these are very high numbers, but not as high as Ethereum, because Ethereum did go to $1,007. As a result, more people were getting liquidated. As you guys can see, in the past 24 hours, 100 million. In the past 24 hours, 100 million. In the past 4 hours, 26 million. These are a lot of money being liquidated in the market due to, Bitcoin and other cryptos falling. As you guys can see, if we look at the 2-hour time frame, it was recovering very well back up to this support. But when the news of the CPI data coming out, inflation up 9.1%, well, guys, you guys can see the wick. It went from $20,102 all the way down to $18,924. As a result, people were liquidated around this area. As you guys can see the volume right here, people were liquidated. And for the past couple hours, it has been recovering very well. As you guys can see, we're back almost above the 20,000. We're currently at 19,700. So guys, why am I saying we are not out of the loop for Bitcoin and BTC? Well, guys, as you guys know, on July 26th, which is the date I've been talking about since the beginning of the video, which I will be releasing, it is the 26th of July. There is a FOMC meeting, the Fed meeting, which they will be announcing if they will raise interest to 75 basis points, 100 basis points, or 50 basis points. But it is expected by the Feds that they will raise it to 75 basis points. But guys, with the news of inflation, guys, rising to 9.1%, 100 basis points is not out of the equation because it did rise higher than expected, higher in over 40 years. So there's a lot of pressure on the Feds to do something about this, fix it, as you guys can see. Yes. So this is why, the crypto market can be shaken up on July 26th through the 27th, which is a very important day for crypto because that's when they announce the basis points, how high it will go. So for right now, in the next week or two, what should we expect from Bitcoin, BTC, and the crypto market? Well, guys, we're going to be recovering, probably consolidating around 20,000. It may go higher just to fake out a lot of people. Don't fall for this fake out because they're going to catch a lot of people again. I wouldn't be surprised if it rises back up to 22,000 in the next week or two before the big news or the big Fed meeting where it comes out and they say 100 basis points and then we're going to see a big dump. So this is a warning not to be fooled by this. Do expect there might be a possibility of a fake out. So yes, the next couple weeks do expect a recovery. Don't fall for it. We are going to see more downfall for crypto and Bitcoin. BTC. If you haven't checked out my previous video on Ethereum, I go in depth, react to liquidations from Ethereum as well as inflation, CPI. Go check that out right now. I did that video before this one, but now we're going to get right into technical analysis to see what's going on right now. So, as you guys can see, we are overbought right now because of the big recovery. And we did touch the top of the Bollinger Band. Now we're just around this area of consolidation. The next price movement probably will be up. As I said, there is going to be a fake out to get all you guys to start buying Bitcoin again. Don't fall for it, guys. Wait for July 26th before investing in Bitcoin if you're leveraging or investing lots of your money. With that said, this is DC Trading. Make sure if you made it this far to hit the subscribe button and hit or smash the like button because I will be back with plenty of videos. Peace.